Welcome to Peaceful Nest Life. Today we're taking you inside the most beautiful nature-infused stone homes, where rugged charm meets serene living. These homes aren't just built with stone, they become part of the landscape. Wrapped in greenery, shaded by old trees, and built with raw earth textures, these unbelievable homes offer timeless beauty and ultimate tranquility. Imagine stepping into a home where the walls are made of stone and the windows open to forests, waterfalls, or mountain valleys. These nature-infused stone houses feel like they were carved out of the earth itself. You'll see climbing ivy, moss-covered pathways, and interiors that glow with the warmth of natural light, pure, peaceful elegance. Stone homes have always had a grounded, ancient feel, but when paired with nature, they become absolutely magical. Picture vine-covered arches, outdoor showers surrounded by stone walls, and fire pits nestled into natural rock. Every detail feels handcrafted by the earth. It's unbelievable how much peace and power these homes hold. One look at these homes and you'll feel transported. Some are built into hillsides, others hidden beside lakes or streams, but all share the same idea: living in sync with the land. The mix of rough stone, wild plants, and open-air designs creates an atmosphere that's both grounded and ethereal, like living in a fairy tale. What makes these homes so beautiful is their connection to the environment. The stone doesn't just support the structure, it tells a story. Every crack, curve, and weathered edge reflects the passage of time. Add climbing roses, garden paths, and flowing water nearby, and you've got an experience that's nothing short of unbelievable. Many of these homes use reclaimed stone and natural materials, creating a rustic yet elegant aesthetic. Exposed beams, cobblestone floors, and thick stone walls provide coolness in the summer and warmth in the winter. Surrounded by trees, flowers, and the gentle sounds of nature, they're a peaceful escape you'll never want to leave. Inside these homes, nature continues to shine. Think open concept spaces with stone fireplaces, wooden beams, and massive windows overlooking forests or vineyards. The design is simple but refined, letting the textures of stone and wood take center stage. It's a style that's both humble and unbelievably stunning. Some of the most beautiful homes use local stone and build around existing trees, preserving the landscape. Gardens grow between walls, vines hang down from the roofs, and patios flow directly into grassy fields. It's not just architecture, it's a lifestyle rooted in natural beauty and timeless strength. When modern design meets ancient stone, the result is breathtaking. These homes feature sleek furniture, minimalist lighting, and bold glass elements, all framed by raw stone walls. The contrast is striking, blending history with luxury. It's unbelievable how seamlessly nature, tradition, and innovation can come together. From remote countryside villas to forest retreats, nature-infused stone homes are the ultimate example of sustainable beauty. They use what the land offers, give back to the ecosystem, and provide a soulful place to live. These homes don't just stand on the earth, they belong to it. Pure harmony, pure peace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Peaceful Nest Life for more amazing content. See you in the next video.